WallStreetBets FTW. Simple as that, guys. What is going on, guys? I am Doge Lore on Crypto, and for today's lore, we're going to be downloading what is happening with Wall Street, GameStop, Reddit, WallStreetBets, and why it's so important for crypto. So what is actually happening right now? Well, at a super high level, hedge funds and other large corporations have been shorting GameStop stock for a long time, and thanks to an anonymous post on Reddit WallStreetBets, investors, quote unquote, stormed the market through Robinhood and other trading platforms, buying call options and making the price of GameStop skyrocket to the moon. It became a huge uphill battle between the 1% that holds like 90% of the wealth, aka the Wall Street investors, and the other 99% of everyday traders who got fed up by playing by the rules that only ever benefit the rich and the wealthy. It's insane because it actually got to a point where Robinhood stopped GameStop trading for all the small investors. Now, I do care about you, but that sounds a little sus to me, especially since they retracted that just a few hours later. Oh, Robinhood got hit hard though. Trust me, if you go look at the star rating on the App Store, their overall rating dropped to like 1.1. And now we also have calls for investigation from folks in Congress, and I'm probably going to butcher her name, but Representative Alejandra Ocasio-Cortez. Now you may be wondering, what does all this news have to do with cryptocurrencies? Well, for that we have to look at the bigger picture. Technical analysis does give us a good sense of how a coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum is going to be playing out in a shorter time span of just a couple weeks. For example, are we in a bull run? Are we in a bearish trend in roughly, a 2 or 3 weeks time span? But it doesn't really give us a sense of what's going to happen in the coming months. It doesn't really highlight the hype, the news, the larger implications about people learning about cryptocurrencies until after the fact, or just not right away. Now, moving away from TA and looking at what's going on in the society, we're going to see that people are peed by the fact that they weren't a big time investor, so they got shut down by these Wolf of Wall Streets. They're not going to like that, and they're going to be looking for a change. And what is around that corner? Crypto and the decentralized exchange that operates without a central authority, a path, or even an offering to what I believe and see is freedom. We can move away from being locked out of our accounts and being told that you can't trade because you didn't play by the big investors' rules and you made them lose money. Because of that, we can't trust you. Instead, we can go ahead and be like, peace. We're off to a decentralized area where you have no reign and no authority. TA, or technical analysis, will never see this coming. TA will never see this while it's happening, while the people are flooding through the gates and buying crypto. Just look at today during the news, while small investors were locked up from trading GameStop. You can see Bitcoin had a pretty massive spike in buying, and its price raised. I'm not trying to do any sort of technical analysis, but you can see that Bitcoin went up by over $4,000, $5,000 in a single day and is currently trading at around $32,000. And then if we look at Dogecoin had a tremendous run, trading at roughly 1 cent earlier today when the day started out. And you can see it took a little blast off to the moon, trading at around 7 cents at its peak and currently trading at 5 cents. That is 5x. As people continue to wake up and realize that they don't want to be controlled financially anymore, they will trend to crypto and trend to this decentralized, non-authoritative form of currency, as we saw today, just before in the video. And this means in the long run that the value of Bitcoin and all these other altcoins like Ethereum or like Dogecoin will trend in the upside. So while a Bitcoin is priced at $32,000 and it may look expensive now, it may be a steal of a price 5 or 10 years from today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lore of looking past TA and understanding how freeing crypto can actually be. And with that, I am Doge Lore on Crypto, and let's all share this lore with one friend to keep spreading the knowledge of being liberated through crypto.